Hi guys, welcome back. So today my video is going to be based on of what I have in my makeup box. I do have not a lot of makeup, but sort of kind of getting there, I guess you can say. I don't know. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will be providing swatches. What the fuck? I will be showing you guys swatches of my eyeshadow palettes, of my lipsticks, and everything I have in here. Sorry guys. So we're gonna start off with my foundations and primers. So I have the Becca foundation. You can't even tell the name no more. It faded off from using it too much. It is in the shade Cafe. And then I have my Milani foundation. It's deep beige. I was using sand beige, but I got a little tan. Anyways, and these are all my primers. I don't use them all, but I sort of do. I will be showing primers and my setting sprays. So this is a Charlotte Tilbury magic cream. I don't know if you guys know about this. My boyfriend bought it for me. It was the Sephora collection, and the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. I'm sorry guys. Fenty Beauty. He also got me the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I know they're all minis, but they're so adorable. And the Becca one. So now with my setting sprays, he got me the Urban Decay All Nighter, Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1, Mario Badescu facial spray. I use this almost every day. And I'm gonna start off with my highlighters. Oh, and my primer for my eyeshadow, the Urban Decay one. So for my highlights, I have the Becca Champagne Pop one. It's so small too. I know I have a lot of minis. I mean, why purchase some big ones if I'm not gonna finish them all? And then I had the Becca one, the Light Chase highlighter, the Opal Flashes Jade. I love this one when I do like these type of colorful looks. Ta-da! And my Tarte is Pro Glow to Go. I don't even know how you pronounce that. Anyways, and it has two highlighters. Let me show you. Tan. They're my favorite ones. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna show you guys swatches. Let me show you the Becca one. Both of them. So this is the Becca highlight, the Champagne Pop. I know I don't have good lighting, but oh well. And this is the Opal Flashes one. It's like kind of bluish when you get to see it. Purplish, bluish. I don't know. It's the one I'm wearing right now though. Oh yeah. Sorry guys. Anyways, those are my highlighters. And I'm going to show you guys my lipsticks. I'm still missing a lot more of them. Another Morphe one that my boyfriend bought me. I don't know where it's at though. So I had the next collection, the small ones, the 36 or 32, I don't remember. And I only kept these. The rest I gave them to my mom, but my sister kept them all because she's a little makeup digger. Anyways, here you go. Ah! I also have two Morphe ones. This one is Spicy and this one is Nibble. Oh, Spicy is the one I'm wearing right now. And a lip pencil petal. And I'm missing my other lipstick. It's a Morphe one. It's Hey Babe, I think, or Hey Sugar, something like that. Anyways, and this is my NARS one. I know it's a little fucked up already. It's in the shade Live. Oh, I like it. Watch. So, Live. Spicy. Nibble. Ah, I'm sorry, I need to sharpen this. Petal. Abu Dhabi. Singapore. Zurich. Dallas. And the last one, Transylvania. So those are my lipsticks. I'll show you my translucent powders that I have. I only have 3 though. My Kat Von D, the Locket one, it's translucent powder. There you go. My Becca one, sorry I have eyelash glue on there. My Becca one is the soft light blurring powder. It came with the primer at Ulta. And then my Laura Mercier translucent powder. I've never used this because I feel like it's more like a highlight because it's so shiny. Probably add this to my giveaway. I'm gonna show you my eyeliners. I have a lot of those. I have the Kat Von D tattoo liner. I love this one. Oh, it came with the little translucent powder. Sorry. My Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. Wow, that's amazing. I only use it for like when I'm gonna apply eyelashes like on the inside and on my bottom eyelash. My NYX Bright Yellow Halo eyeliner. Ta-da! I want to buy more of these. The liquid one, the glitter one. You can't even tell. Sorry. And the white one. The last one. Oh my gosh. I have probably bought this like 4 times already. This is my favorite eyeliner ever. It's the matte liquid liner MLL01 black. And then I'm gonna show you guys. Oh, I forgot this. My Anastasia lip palette. My favorite one. Now I'm gonna show you my eyeshadow palettes. So my first eyeshadow palette is my Beauty Creations one, the 35 Color Pro palette in Jasmine. This is what I started with. I only used to like nude colors, but then I started looking at more YouTube videos and Instagram and stuff like that, and I started to like colorful colors. So then my friend got me this one. The Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. That's when I started using like burgundy, reddish, orange colors. And then I got myself this one on my first paycheck at Zero. The Morphe 35B palette. I wanted to buy this because I was looking at more colorful looks, and Johan Fernandez, it's a Instagrammer, he does makeup too. He would always use this palette, and I wanted to buy it so badly because I wanted to recreate his looks. So here it is. This has been my best friend ever since. And yeah. Then I have my finally my boyfriend just bought me a palette. My boyfriend just bought me a palette recently because of our 8-month anniversary, and I loved it. Ta-da! Oh, I recreated what the heck. I created this look using the James Charles palette. It's so cute and I loved it. I really did. Thank you, babe. Next, and then for my eyebrows, I used to use another pomade, an eyeliner pomade, dark brown. But then a lot of people were using Anastasia. Anastasia never like called my attention. But then, I don't know, I needed a new one. So I decided to buy Anastasia. My dip brow pomade in medium brown, and my eyebrow pencil in medium brown, the Brow Wiz. They're amazing, honestly. I'm not gonna lie. Oh, sorry guys. And I'm gonna show you guys my eyelashes. My first PR package was the Dodo lashes. Well, my second PR package were my Dodo lashes. The ones I'm wearing right now, they are in D119, so D119. Use my discount code, guys. I'm gonna leave it on the bottom of this video. Their lashes are super good. And these are my lashes. I love this brand so much. I've always used this eyelash brand. Sorry, they're all fucked up. These are in Wisp. When I want a dramatic one, 102, and like a more simple one, 218. And these are from, I know, these are from these are from Salon Perfect. I bought these at Walmart. It's just that I lost all my eyelashes and I found these in my backpack. That's why they're like that. Okay. And my brushes. All of my brushes, most of them, the pink ones, these ones right here, are all from Beauty Creation. It was like the 30-something brush set, and I only kept a couple. I gave the rest to my mom, which ended up in my sister's bag. Just letting you guys know, my sister is 13. So, chill. And then I bought the... Oh shit, I'm missing a brush. Oh. The only brushes I have from Morphe are these three. So my eyebrow brush, the M158. I love this brush. I bought my sister one just in case she wants to steal mine. And the Morphe M433 to blend in my colors. Oh, it's the one I was using on my video if you guys want to watch it. And my Morphe MB25 just to like start packing up the color right here. I don't know. Everyone uses different brushes for different stuff. And then these two came in like with my I bought this highlight thing, powder cream, I don't know. These brushes came in with that. They're from Profusion. And lastly, I love this one. It's Vasanti. they came with like 5 more different brushes, but I don't know what happened to the rest of them. And yeah, those are the only things I have in my makeup box. I wish I had more makeup. I do have more makeup, but I don't know where it's at. I keep losing everything. Oh, and to apply my lashes, I use the Kiss glue, the black one, this one, and these right here to apply them. These are from Amora's, the eyelash brand that I use, and my beauty blender. It's dirty, sorry. It's from Morphe. Cheap, $7. Oh, and this is the ring light I use. I bought it on offer. And yeah, that is all for today. Oh, no, wait. My little elf thing that I use for my eyebrows, and my glitters. Hexagon glitters, the little foil one, more glitter, and more glitter. I know most of them are orange, I know. Okay, yeah, now that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, that's all I have inside my makeup box. Bye guys.